Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to create your own admin panel without doing any type of much codes. So I have just installed the laravel setup, basic setup with the backpack demo name, and now I'm going to install the backpack, which will backpack is an admin panel where we can use the basic features in a free version, and if we want to use the advanced features then we can upgrade with the pro features. So let's install the laravel backpack. Yeah, I have already installed on my system. Yeah, now run the commands php artisan backpack install. It will configure the vue.js files and database and everything, database tables, I mean. Now it will ask you if you want to add an admin user. So let's add the admin user. Admin and yeah. So setup is completed. Let's try to run the admin panel. You can access an admin panel via /admin. Yeah, here's the basic uh, and basic login page of the backpack. Yeah guys, so here's the our admin panel of the backpack. We have just created with a few commands, so there's no any type of logic or any type of code required over here. Yeah, thank you.